Hello kids, hope you all best. First we know about color name: black color, sky color, parrot color, green color, brown color, red color, black color, pink color, orange color. Now let's start our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, sheen, swad, zod, ta, za, ain, gain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya. Now let's start repeat our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, zod, ta, za, ain, gain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya.